Level 1. The Fish. You are in Pelican Bay State Prison in California. You've been here for 6 days. Your bunk is in C block, cell 247, top rack. Your cellie doesn't talk to you. He's been down for 11 years. You're just temporary noise. In the yard, you stand near the weights, not using them, just near them. Proximity to strength. That's the strategy they told you on the bus. A guy with a shaved head and neck tattoos approaches. You know what he is. Everyone knows. He asks where you're from. You tell him. He nods. You ride alone right now? You understand the question. Are you affiliated? Are you protected? Are you meat? You say no. You're alone. He looks at you for a long time. You want to stay alone? This is not actually a question. You say no. You don't want to stay alone. He tells you to be at the pull-up bars tomorrow, 2 p.m. Don't be late. You're not late. There are 4 of them. They walk you to the corner of the yard where the cameras have a blind spot. They explain the rules. You listen. You nod. You think you're being recruited. You think you're being saved. Then they tell you what you have to do first. There's a guy. Protective custody dropout. Used to run with a rival set. Now he's trying to go independent. They need him touched, not killed. Just touched, enough that he understands. They hand you a sharpened piece of metal. It used to be part of a bed frame. Now it's 4 inches of filed steel, wrapped in electrical tape. You take it. Your hand is shaking. They see this. One of them laughs. First time, you nod. It gets easier, he says. You believe him. You're so stupid and young and desperate that you believe him. Level 2. The Soldier. It's August now. You've been down for 2 months. You have 3 dots tattooed behind your left ear. The guy you stabbed lived. 17 stitches. Collapsed lung. He got transferred to another facility. You got 2 weeks in the SHU. Solitary. When you came out, people knew your name. That was the reward. Recognition. But recognition means you can't ever go back. You're doing the dirty work now. Someone needs to get checked. You check them. Someone needs to understand consequences. You are the consequence. You've developed this thing where you don't think about it, the violence. You just do it, like brushing your teeth, like making your bunk, like eating the gray meat they serve on Thursdays. It's just another task. You count the tiles on the ceiling of your cell at night, over and over. 247 tiles. You count them so you don't think about other things. So you don't think about the person you were 6 months ago. The person who thought keeping your head down would work. In the yard one afternoon, the sunlight hits the razor wire at exactly the right angle. For just a second, it looks like silver lace, like something beautiful. Then you blink and it's just razor wire again. But for that 1 second, you saw something else. And that second makes everything worse. Because now you know beauty still exists. You just can't have it. Level 3. The Block Caller. It's March 2021. You've been down for almost 2 years. You run C block now. Your old cellie is gone, paroled out. You have a new cellie, younger than you were when you came in, 21. He looks at you like you're somebody, like you matter. You hate it. You rarely fight anymore. You don't have to. You have people for that. Your job now is management. The underground economy, phones, tobacco, pills. You control who gets what. You control who owes what. A guard approaches you in the chow hall. Sits down next to you. Nobody says anything. This guard has been on the take for 3 years. You know this because you're the one who turned him. He slides you a piece of paper under the table. Contraband list. What he can get. What it costs. You nod. He leaves. You realize the people running this prison aren't evil masterminds. They're just broke. Just tired. The system works because everyone's working an angle. Guards, inmates, administration. Everyone's surviving. Everyone's compromised. Nobody's in control. It's chaos pretending to be order. Level 4. The Boss. It's November 2023. You're 27 years old. You've been down for 4.5 years. You have 17 years left on your sentence. You're in the SHU now. Administrative segregation. 23 hours a day in a cell, 1 hour in a cage they call the exercise yard. This is supposed to be punishment. But from here, you run everything. You have a contraband phone, smuggled in pieces, assembled in your cell, hidden in the wall behind your bunk. You make calls to the yard, to other prisons, to the street. Orders go out. Money comes in. The gang operates on the outside because of decisions you make in an 8x10 cell. You haven't touched anyone. In 2 years, you haven't fought in 3. You don't need to. Your word is the weapon now. Someone disrespects the order. You make a call, they get handled. You have power, real power, and it means absolutely nothing because you're in a concrete box, because you'll be in a box for 17 more years. The gang is a life sentence that exists beyond your court sentence. You thought you were climbing. gaining rank, earning respect. But each promotion was just a heavier chain. The fish has hope. He thinks he can survive this. The soldier has purpose. He thinks the violence means something. The shot caller has nothing. Just the habit of giving orders. Just the routine of control.